Jingkno jaga BJP Meghalaya unit lengbau State President Rickman Moment halor ka jingbam poi ki scheme na ka Sarkar India sa ka jilla Meghalaya kampen sangotanat satya yo National Secretary kat National People's Party u James Sangma. U James ula kentu yo Rickman bandawat bnya shwa ban kynthoh namar ki kampen roy ka jilla ki labon bha habayanu jor bar ki por balaled.
I don't know which BJP leader said this, but I think unfortunately he's very ill-informed. In terms of the implementation of centrally sponsored schemes, so many are taking place in Kyrwoh Hills. So it's very easy to criticize people, but I believe that any such criticism should be based on facts. Unfortunately, he has not done his homework. He's not really done proper research before making these statements, because I believe that there has not been any kind of stop or slow down in terms of implementation of centrally sponsored schemes.